Okay, we will talk about the words in the poem. Pag-uusapan natin ang salita sa tula. Anyari, what happened? Anong nangyari? So ito slang to. Anong nangyari? Anyari. Babasahin ko sa inyo, I will read it to you and I'll discuss the words in the poem. Nakaapat kang pagsadya sa Quiapo. Hindi para magdasal kundi para bumili ng Cytotec na ipinainom mo sa iyong mahal. Kasi aalis ka pa Dubai. Bibili ka kamo ng magarang kotse at malaking bahay. Iniwasan mo ang lahat ng bisyo pero nalulung ka sa maling kripto. So words na nandito, yung first line, nakaapat kang pagsadya sa Quiapo. Apat is 4. Apat is 4. Pagsadya is when you go there with intention. Sinadya o pagsadya. You went to Quiapo 4 times with the intention of going there 4 times. There's an intention of going there 4 times. Hindi para magdasal, not to pray, hindi, no, not to pray. Para bumili ng Cytotec, kundi para bumili ng Cytotec. But to buy Cytotec. So I will not elaborate on what that is, but that is a medication. I believe it's a medication for the stomach or ulcers. I might be mistaken. So next line is bumili. The word is bumili. You bought. Bumili. This is past tense, bumili. Bili is buy. Para ipainom mo sa iyong mahal. Na ipinainom mo. You let your loved one drink the medication. Inom is drink. Mahal is loved one. Yan. You let your loved one drink the medication. No? Parang ganun. Something like that. Kasi aalis ka pa Dubai. Because you will go to Dubai or you will go abroad and you'll go to Dubai. Bibili ka kamo ng magarang kotse. You said you will buy a nice car. Bibili, bili is buy. Bibili is will buy. You said kamo. It's actually ikamo or kamo ng magarang kotse. Magara is beautiful or nice. Magara. From the word gara. And you know, kotse is car. At malaking bahay. And a big house. And a big house. At malaking bahay. Iniwasan mo ang lahat ng bisyo. You strayed away or you did not mind, you did not think of, you shy away. You shied away from vices, bisyo, vices. Iwas is to steer clear, to shy away. Not entertaining. Lahat is every. Yan, iniwasan mo ang lahat ng bisyo. You strayed away from all the vices. Pero, but, nalulung ka sa maling kripto. Lulong in English is addicted. You were addicted to the wrong crypto. Mali is wrong crypto. So, in turn, wrong investment. Crypto is an investment. I believe, di ba? So, yan. So, that is the poem. The title is Anyari. So, if you want to get more content like this, you could join us at learntagalogfilipino.com and become a member. And we have weekly We have weekly Tagalog Club conversations. That's usually on a Sunday. Again, that's learntagalogfilipino.com.